If you love observing animals in their natural habitat, you'll need the right gear to do it well. In this video, we'll uncover the best thermal camera for wildlife to help you spot creatures in total darkness. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. MASTFUYI Wildlife's Thermal Camera. The MASTFUYI Wildlife Thermal Camera is a versatile tool built for precision, speed, and stability across multiple industries. This device can simultaneously detect temperatures at an astonishing 57,600 points, providing highly detailed and accurate thermal images. Its visual thermography feature makes it easy to pinpoint temperature measurement spots instantly, which is a crucial advantage in time-sensitive tasks like electrical inspections, fire protection, and maintenance work. One of its standout functions is the ability to track high, low, and center temperatures on the same display, updating these values in real time for effortless monitoring. The built-in high-low temperature alarm ensures that any reading outside preset thresholds turns red on screen, reducing the chance of errors or oversights. For data management, this model comes equipped with a 4GB memory card capable of storing up to 30,000 BMP images, and it easily connects to a computer for deeper analysis. This camera's application range is impressively wide, making it suitable for use in medical diagnostics, agriculture, electronic manufacturing, and more. Its reliable performance and quick detection abilities make it an ideal companion for field technicians and maintenance teams seeking to identify problem areas quickly and accurately. Overall, it's a well-rounded professional-grade thermal imaging solution. Number 2. NITERUS GW256 Wildlife Thermal Camera. The NITERUS GW256 Wildlife Thermal Camera combines robust imaging technology with practical design, making it a dependable choice for professionals in various fields. Its 256 by 192 infrared resolution ensures sharp, detailed thermal images ideal for thorough analysis. What sets the GW256 apart is its advanced dual light fusion technology, which overlays visible images with thermal imaging to improve clarity and context, an especially valuable feature for inspections and industrial troubleshooting. Built for versatility, this handheld imager is suited to a wide range of industries, including agriculture, home maintenance, forestry, and equipment diagnostics. Its sturdy design, complete with a ring-shaped inline sensor, screen protector, and lens cover, ensures long-lasting durability. With adjustable emissivity, 5 color palettes, and a broad temperature range of -20 degrees Celsius to 550 degrees Celsius, the GW256 offers reliable, professional performance in the field. Its 2 to 3 hour battery life and user-friendly interface round out the well-equipped thermal camera. Number 3. BSIDE Wildlife Thermal Camera. The BSIDE Wildlife Thermal Camera is a practical and efficient imaging tool designed to offer reliability and versatility in various inspection and diagnostic environments. Featuring a crisp 240 by 240 infrared resolution, this device captures clear, detailed thermal images, helping users identify issues like heat leaks, equipment faults, and electrical problems with ease. Its 15 selectable color palettes, including white hot, black hot, rainbow, and ice fire, allow for customized visualization depending on application needs. A 2.4-inch full viewing color screen ensures wide-angle, sharp display of thermal readings. The 2,500 mAh rechargeable battery ensures long-lasting operation, minimizing downtime in the field. This infrared camera also includes efficient measurement functions and a dependable performance profile suitable for both professional and personal use. Compact, rugged, and feature-rich, the BSIDE Wildlife Thermal Camera is a smart investment for those seeking precision and ease of use in thermal imaging.
Number 4. Mileseey TR256 Wildlife Thermal Camera. The Mileseey TR256 Wildlife Thermal Camera is a solidly built, high-performing tool engineered for reliable performance in tough working environments. With an IP65 protection rating, it's resistant to dust and water, making it suitable for outdoor and industrial use. The device features a sharp 256 by 192 infrared resolution, providing clear and accurate thermal images, ideal for detecting temperature variations in a wide range of professional applications. Its robust design is matched with practical features like thermal sensitivity of less than 50 millikelvins and an output frame rate of up to 20 Hz. For further analysis, users can access PC analysis software for Windows 10. Durable, versatile, and precise, the TR256 is an excellent option for professionals seeking dependable thermal imaging capabilities in demanding environments. Number 5. UNI-T UT160S Wildlife Thermal Camera. The UNI-T UT160S Wildlife Thermal Camera offers an affordable yet capable option for professionals needing reliable thermal imaging and temperature measurement. Lightweight and compact, it's built for portability without sacrificing essential features. With a respectable 160 by 120 infrared resolution and a temperature range from -20 degrees Celsius to 550 degrees Celsius, it covers a wide scope of diagnostic tasks from home maintenance to mechanical inspections. The device automatically tracks maximum, minimum, and center temperatures and issues visual, audio, and LED alerts for high and low temperature deviations, ensuring prompt action on detected anomalies. The addition of a laser indicator and LED lighting enhances usability in dimly lit areas. Its rugged design features an IP54 rating and 2-meter drop resistance, making it a durable choice for field use. Combined with included PC analysis software, the UT160S is an excellent value-packed thermal camera for technicians and field professionals alike. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.